What's up, guys? So right here is my gun. It's a Daisy Powerline 3.5 pellets and BBs. You can shoot pellets. You load the pellet up in there. Once you're done, you push it through and pump this, but like that. After you put the pellet in, and if you have a BB, this is what happens. See, it loads a BB. Wait. See, the BB's in there, and then you push up, and that's how it loads. But it's on safety right now, but this is it. The angle of it, but you can kind of see the lines in the camera, but there's like lines in there, but this is the scope. Guys, we're going to be shooting this with this gun right here. We're going to get it in slow-mo and in regular mode. So we're going to shoot this with it. It's made for shooting squirrels, birds and stuff, but I'm shooting BBs out of it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know how it looks in slow-mo, but you can see the can. I shot it with a BB, not a pellet that I made for hunting, but with a BB. So let's see what the can looks like. I blew the whole freaking side out of the can. What the heck? Let's see if we can. Right there is the entrance hole, and right there's the exit hole. Wow. Right? Yeah, I totally landed that. So that is what it looked like. I'm out here on my farm using my Daisy Powerline 3.5, and I was only using BBs, guys. A pellet will blow that can up if it was full. So it's a very good gun. Daisy Powerline 3.5, usually around $60 to $70. So make sure you get that gun.